How to add graphs in CapCut PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add graphs in CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's go quick through this video. In order to add graphs in CapCut PC, you want to first go ahead and open up your CapCut and then load up the project. Once you have loaded up the project, what you can do is you can simply tap on a particular project here and open it up. Then head over to the video option. Here you should find the option position, and beside it you'll find the keyframe option. Tap on keyframe and add in the keyframe. So I'll just add in the keyframe right here. So the next thing what you can do is right click on the video once you have added the keyframe, right? Then here you should find the option that says share video animation. Now then you'll be able to see the video animation, right? Then you should find the graphs icon right here on the screen. Tap on the graphs icon and you should be able to view the graphs. So in my case there is no any graphs, this is just a picture, but this is how we can view graphs in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.